Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for exams during holidays. First, let's talk about planning. It is crucial to create a realistic study schedule that balances your academic goals with much-needed relaxation. Identify your most challenging subjects early on and dedicate more time to mastering them. Remember to break down large topics into smaller, manageable study sessions, perhaps lasting 45 to 60 minutes each, to maintain focus and prevent overwhelm. Next, let's explore some smart study methods. Active recall is incredibly effective. Try testing yourself often without looking at your notes. Incorporate spaced repetition by reviewing material at increasing intervals, which significantly boosts long-term memory retention. Additionally, explaining complex concepts aloud to yourself or a friend can reveal gaps in your understanding and solidify your knowledge. These techniques can make your study time much more productive. Maintaining your well-being is just as important as studying hard. Schedule regular short breaks, perhaps 5 to 10 minutes every hour, to prevent burnout and keep your mind fresh. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night, as rest is vital for memory consolidation. Don't forget to incorporate some physical activity into your day. Even a 20-minute walk can boost your energy and significantly reduce stress levels. Finally, let's talk about review and practice. Regularly reviewing previously learned material is essential for strengthening your memory and ensuring long-term retention. Make sure to practice with past exam papers. This helps you understand the question formats, time constraints, and common topics. After completing practice exams, seek feedback on your answers to identify areas where you can improve. This comprehensive approach will prepare you thoroughly for your upcoming exams.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.